Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the WEB3MET token. Ticker symbol is W3M. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 19th. We're going to go over the information on the W3M token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token will be listed on a central exchange called Lbank starting December 19th at 10 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Lbank account, all you would have to do is download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search W3M, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. If you go to their Twitter right here at W3MET, WEB3MET, at WEB3MET on X.com. They almost have 100 tweets. They have a link to their Telegram right there. They have a link to their webpage, WEB3MET.com. Now, you can also see they have the contract address right there. It says Your Land, Your Vision, NFT Land and Metaverse City, W3M tokens to pre-sale. Now, this token is already live. If you go to their BSC scan, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They already have 57,178 holders, so it's a very well-established project here. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 50 billion tokens. Now, you can get this token prior to their Lbank listing by getting it off of PancakeSwap, by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the W3M token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, WEB3MET.com, or you could just find it right there on the Twitter. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that. And yeah, they do have a full white paper that you can find on their webpage as well. It's a 16-page white paper. Your Land, Your Vision, NFT Land, and Metaverse City. So, big legal disclaimer, of course. Always, read the risks and all that type of stuff. So, it says here, they have a, kind of the history, basically, of Satoshi Nakamoto staking all these things. They go over the history of that. We don't need to go over that. We'll just specifically talk about the W3M token. So, this is a cutting-edge blockchain utility token specifically created for the Metaverse ecosystem that the project has to offer. So it has been built on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum network. So it's a cross-chain token, they're saying, which is one of the fastest scaling and most secure blockchain networks in the crypto blockchain space. Our team developed the project with the intention of making it completely community-driven, and it will take place in the entire crypto space and bring it to new heights. We aim to create an all-encompassing platform in which users can access an array of metaverse and blockchain facilities, all in a single ecosystem. WEB3MET aims to unblock the future and open a welcoming metaverse city where people can do events, launch parties, and trade. Watch a bustling digital utopia unfolding before their eyes. One of our main goals in this regard is to provide people with a safe and trustworthy place where they can use their cryptocurrencies for rewards and participate in the staking, buying, and selling of NFTs. W3M token will be the native utility token of our platform that will allow you to take part in all of our features that our platform has to offer, including staking, an NFT marketplace, and the metaverse. We envision becoming the gateway into the future and creating a new world for all of the users through our one-of-a-kind ecosystem. Our mission is to provide every holder with simple and effective ways to gain exposure to digital assets by paving the path for cryptocurrency adoption, growth, and providing an equal opportunity to everyone in the virtual world that is free of discrimination. So W3M token was built with the core purposes being one of the best digital technology frameworks available and will simultaneously make a positive impact of equal magnitude on the community through its utilization and implementation in the ecosystem. W3M token will balance all aspects of our protocol as well as achieve justifiable long-term growth with deliberately developed tokenomics. We are busy revolutionizing the decentralized movement with just purely community-driven ecosystem. Our project is more than just a metaverse. We are the future of decentralization. Our ecosystem will enable censorship-resistant swapping in an open-source environment that is built on top of a modular framework. Our staking platform is a great way to maximize your holdings and is a much better alternative than just letting your W3M token sit in your account. By staking the W3M token, you can earn a passive income in W3M tokens on top of your original holdings. This has a compounding growth effect on your W3M token holdings, benefiting from the potential rise in W3M's tokens price. Not only are the users incentivized by the project to stake their tokens, staking also has the added benefit of securing the network, thus making the W3M token network and the broader W3M token ecosystem more secure, allowing you to transact with the peace of mind that the network has top-notch security. So you can buy digital land, and basically you can be a realtor in the metaverse, customize your own space, and even rent it out. It's going to be a busy town. You can trade NFTs in the metaverse, so you can buy these land NFTs, other NFTs, trade them. You can promote your business in the metaverse, just like the real world, basically. It says there's also going to be low transaction fees. There's going to be fast transactions. It's a community-centric token, so they're putting community first. It says there's no central point of failure. It's completely decentralized and a secured ecosystem. And they talk about the meta world in more detail if you want to read about that on their paper. But lastly, we'll just go over the tokenomics. We already mentioned it's on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Total supply here says there's 100 billion W3M tokens, and they're going to be allocated like this: 20% to pre-sale, 2.5% to private sale, 7.5% liquidity and central exchange listings, 10% charity and donation, 10% team and marketing, 10% tech and developing, 20% founders and investors, 20% staking and rewards. They have a roadmap here, pretty lengthy roadmap. We'll just go over it quickly. So token pre-sale basically, then the exchange listings, then they go to staking platform, sellers platform, and then the NFT marketplace, and eventually it'll be the full website version 2.0. Check this all out, WEB3MET.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.